Meaning of equestrianism.
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 Equestrianism. Equestrianism is the act of horseback riding, typically for sport, recreation, or transportation purposes. It involves a close relationship between the rider and the horse, with the aim of achieving harmony, balance, and grace in movement. Riders must learn to communicate effectively with their horses using body language and other cues, such as the reins. Equestrianism can take many forms, including dressage, jumping, racing, rodeo events, and more. Overall, it requires skill, technique, and dedication from both the rider and the horse to achieve success and enjoyment in this activity.